to Muzdalifah. Muzdalifah wuquf is in the Quran. فَإِذَا أَفَضْتُم مِّنْ عَرَفَاتٍ فَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ عِنْدَ الْمَشْعَرِ الْحَرَامِ. Same ayat of Hajj that I recited. Just continue forward, you will find this ayah. After you're done with Arafat, remember Allah at Mash'ar al-Haram. There's a small masjid there. Really this dhikr is dhikr in shukr. This astaghfar is not astaghfar of the sinner. This astaghfar is that Allah, if you didn't like anything in my naqis ibadah, forgive me. Allah says, وَاسْتَغْفِرُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. That's what you're going to do that night. Even if you're not at that masjid, you're passing by the valley, you got some of it, you got inshallah. And this is where you do Maghrib and Isha now, Jama'ah. You have all night. And this is the night where Rasulullah ﷺ slept and he did not even pray tahajjud. So don't try to go forward ahead of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. He slept, he did not even do tahajjud. Just